Morning viewers, the topic for today's discussion is that GST portal, it is restricting us in furnishing GSTR1 for July 21. Why? You won't be able to file GST return for July. Why is this portal restricting us? So now to understand this, I have divided this topic into three parts. First, what is GSTR1 and 3B? Just a demo. Then notification number 1 oblique 2021. And finally, third part, GSTR1 for July 2021. Why the portal is restricted? See this. First, let us understand GSTR1 and 3B. Say I am a supplier. Okay, this is a recipient. Say I have supplied goods of 10 lakh plus 18% GST. Now, as a supplier, I will raise tax invoice on the recipient and which return I will file? GSTR1. On the basis of supplier's GSTR1, this invoice and input tax credit detail, they shall be auto-populated in recipient's which statement? GSTR2B. And from this GSTR2B, the recipient shall take the ITC. This is how it works. But whatever GST of this 1 lakh 80 which I have collected, I don't pay through GSTR1. For that, I file which return? To pay this GST, I file GSTR3B. Okay, so for paying GST, which return is there? GSTR3B. Now, this is what I've observed. Many taxpayer, many registered person, what they were doing? They were filing GSTR1 within the due date. On the basis of my GSTR1, the recipients were taking the input tax credit. But while filing 3B, the taxpayers were not filing 3B. That means GST department, they are not receiving GST revenue. They are not receiving GST revenue. This was the irony. So now the government was furious that all the taxpayers are properly filing GSTR1. The recipients are taking ITC, but the suppliers are not filing 3B. Government is not receiving GST revenue. Shortfall as in expected GST revenue. That's why government had developed a notification number 1 oblique 2021. This was issued 6-7 months back, 1st of January 2021. Not many are aware about this. What is this notification saying? That if I am a taxpayer and I fail to upload GSTR 3B for the preceding 2 consecutive months, I don't file GSTR 3B, I don't pay GST for preceding 2 consecutive months, then the registered person shall not be allowed to furnish GSTR1. Very good notification. हम 3B नहीं भरेंगे, हम GST पे नहीं करेंगे, then portal will restrict us in filing GSTR1 also. Recipients will not get ITC, sir. So due to COVID, we all are aware, due to shortage of working capital, many taxpayers, what they have done, sir? They have correctly filed GSTR1 for the month of May and June, but they have not furnished 3B. They have not paid GST for these 2 months. Okay, as per notification 1, which is just now discussed, this registered person, since they are not filed 3B for preceding 2 months, portal will not allow you to furnish GSTR1 for July 21. Portal allow ही नहीं करेगा, restrict कर देगा. Now, what will be the benefit to the government if the portal will restrict? Please understand. Say now, I have not filed GSTR 3B for May and June, 2 consecutive months. And in July, say I am supplying goods of 5 lakh plus 12% GST. Since I have not filed 3B, I cannot upload GSTR1. So, ये upload ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा. And since I cannot upload GSTR1, recipient will not get ITC in 2B. He won't be able to take ITC. He won't be able to take ITC. So who will do business with me? Which recipients will do business with such supplier? So business will be hampered. In fact, there is a possibility of shutdown of business. So now, in order to furnish GSTR1 for the month of July, the taxpayers will mandatory upload GSTR3B. They will pay GST to the government for the month of May and June. They will pay. Then only they will be able to upload GSTR1 for July 21. Okay, so this is a please be careful. Please guide to your clients that if they have not filed 3B for 2 months, portal is not going to allow you. Okay, so this was the important update. Thank you so much, each and everyone. Stay tuned for more such update in relation to GST, customs, and income tax act. Goodbye. Take care, everyone.